Hey, what is up guys? Fix It Felix here. Today we have a 2006 Scion TC. As you can see, it's behind me. There's absolutely nothing wrong with this car, but I was looking online, like on YouTube, all over, and I couldn't find a video on how to replace the fuel pump. Like I said, nothing wrong with my car, but I'm just going to do this for you guys so you guys can see and how to replace the fuel pump. So let's get to it. All right, so safety first. We're going to have to remove the black cable from the battery, the negative cable. This is because we're working with the fuel pump. So it's really simple. Use a 10mm socket, remove it. There we go. That's good. All right, now we're just going to open the door right here. Let's push this back. And we are going to have to remove this seat right here, which is really simple. All you have to do is just put your fingers underneath here and just pull up really hard. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. There, that's one side. And then we gotta do this side as well. There. And once you do that, this already comes loose. Just make sure to push your seat belts all the way inside so you can take it out. So this comes out, simple as that. And now we go back here. This is where the fuel pump is located. Now to remove this, you're going to have to use like a flathead screwdriver and just pry open a little bit here and all the way to the side, and this should come out. This is held by like a adhesive or something, like a glue or something, but you can pull it out real easy. I'm going to show you how. All right, so now that we're here, we're going to be using the flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to pry open just a little bit. Also remember how the arrow goes. This is important to put it back the way it was after. So we're just going to pry open a little bit and work our way. Okay, now you might be able to use your fingers. Yeah, it's coming out. Okay, let me get the camera here so you can see. All right, so this is how this looks. Now it's really easy to open this, like to unplug. So just push this here and just pull up. There, we got that one. And now same thing with the other one. We're going to have to push here and just pull up. There. Then we can just move this to the side. And there's a fuel pump right here. So this is very dangerous, guys. You guys have to clean everything really good if you're removing the fuel pump, because you don't want any dirt or debris falling into the gas tank. That'll be bad. So if you have a vacuum, you can use it right now to clean everything that's here. So I'm going to do that. It don't have to look perfect, but the more you clean, the less chances of having debris into the fuel tank. Alright, this next part, you have to remove this yellow clip that's here. It's really simple to do. You can just push the sides to the left and right, and it comes out just like that. And you can use a flathead screwdriver to take it all the way out. There. Be careful, there's going to be fuel coming out, so have a rag or something to clean just in case. So once you remove this yellow clip, you can already wiggle this a little bit and it comes out like that. All right, now you can remove this. You can push both sides, one here and one on this side, and this should come out just like that. And as you can see, there's going to be a total of 8 bolts. You can remove them using a Phillips screwdriver, just like this one, but I'm going to be using a drill and a 8mm socket to speed up the process. But like I said, you can use the Phillips screwdriver if you want. All right, I'm going to be using the drill to speed up the process. All right, now at this point, just move everything to the side. Be careful, there's still going to be fuel here, so be very, very careful. And there it is, guys. Like I said, be careful, there's fuel here. Alright guys, like I said, there's nothing wrong with this car, nothing wrong with my fuel pump. I'm only doing this video because I haven't seen any video on YouTube or Google on how to do this job. So this is the first video you guys will see on YouTube. I really hope you guys like this video. So just pretend this is the new fuel pump you're going to install. Just follow the same instructions backwards. So just put it here slowly. Don't break anything. There. Just try to wiggle everything so it can be in place. Okay, once you're here, there's not enough space, but yeah, just try to use your fingers to move this bracket. There. And just make sure you align everything right. I'm going to install this bolt first, so you can also hold the bracket. Don't tie it all the way, just tie it a little bit. And I'm going to, stupid sensor there, to put this one. All right, now make sure you put all the bolts in, and what you have to do is you have to tie them in a crisscross pattern. So don't just tie one and then go with this one. No, you gotta go like a zigzag way. So I'll show you. All right, now using the drill, we're going to tie them. That's 1, 2. Perfect. All right, now we can put this back here. We can install this one back here. Push it all the way down, and remember to use the yellow clip. We're going to put it here and push it all the way inside. Right there. Good. And now it's time to cover everything. So let's get this here and make sure you connect all the plugs. So this one goes right here, and this one right here. And remember, the arrow was pointing down. Right there should be fine. Try pushing with your hands, maybe for like a couple of seconds. Right here, I mean, if you want, you can add silicone or something, but I'm just going to leave it like this. Right there. See, that's good. So now we just put the seat back, and we're going to install the battery and turn on the car, see if it works. Perfect. All right, now connect the battery. Good. And now it's time to turn on the car. Key. And voila, perfect. Car is on. And everything's working perfect. So that is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's the first one on YouTube. I'm going to put a link down below where you can buy the fuel pump just in case you need it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like it, please consider subscribing. And thank you so much, guys. As always, peace. If you guys have any questions, you can comment down below. I'm going to do videos like every month or so answering your guys' questions. So if you have a question, just let me know.